Hey there. In this lesson, we'll write a JavaScript function that automatically retries an API request if it fails. This is useful when dealing with unstable networks or rate-limited APIs. We'll control how many times it retries and show success or failure clearly. Let's look at the problem first. Sometimes, fetch calls fail due to server issues, timeouts, or rate limits. Instead of giving up immediately, we can try again, up to a maximum limit. This helps us improve reliability when building web apps or data tools. Now, let's walk through this implementation. This function wraps the logic in a promise for control. Each time a request fails, we increment the retry counter. If retries remain, we try again. Otherwise, we reject with an error. The retry logic is recursive, clean, and easy to maintain. The fetch process keeps retrying up to the max count. Every retry logs a message for visibility. If the call eventually succeeds, we return the data. If it fails every time, we send back an error message. With the bad endpoints like post 3, all retries fail. We see logs for each attempt and a final failure message. Using a valid endpoint like posts, we get JSON on the first try. This proves our logic handles both parts very well. This retry mechanism is great for front-end apps that rely on external data. We'll use it in dashboards, background sync, and cloud API clients. It is even more useful in mobile environments where networks drop in and out. Let's recap what we built. Today, we've learned how to retry API calls in JavaScript using promise. It is a powerful pattern for writing fault-tolerant apps. Try it out next time you're working with real-world APIs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.